Guys, it's Ratan here. Welcome to my channel, The Daro TV. So last week on my Instagram handle, I had posted a poll saying that I'll be building an infinity bottle. So you all guys wanted me to do this video. Here I am on Frisky Friday and I'll be showing you how to build your own infinity bottle. So let's get started. So what is infinity bottle? So infinity bottle is also referred as Solero, living bottle and fractional. So basically it is a blend of whiskies from your home collection. So by adding 30 or 60 ml of whiskey into a bottle of your own home collection, so this will be a never ending bottle of whiskey wherein the flavor changes and evolves whenever you introduce a new whiskey to it. So how to build an infinity bottle? It's straightforward. So you need a empty bottle, so where you can mix your blends. So basically here I have Hibiki bottle which I had earlier, and right now I don't have anything left of it. So I'm using that bottle to make an infinity bottle. So basically many of them blend their infinity bottle according to the region of the whiskies, age of the whiskies, and also the blend of the whiskies. Like if they want to mix only Irish whiskey or Scotch blends or single malts or bourbon or rye whiskies. But also you can mix any whiskies you want. The favorite whiskies which you want, you can mix it in a bottle. So over here what I have done is the base which I have taken is Black Dog because I like that whiskey. So I have added around 120 ml of Black Dog. Then also I have added white and black, just 60 ml, and a bit of Chivas 12. So the thing is, in the coming days I'll be filling up 30 to 60 ml of whiskey whichever I like into this, and once the bottle is full I'll be having a peg or two from this bottle. So whenever I take a peg or two from this bottle, I'll be again refilling it with another 60 or 30 ml of other new whiskies. What that makes is it makes for a new blend, and the flavors always evolves and you'll get a new flavor always. So the simple thing is, if you like peated whiskies, the smoky flavors, then you can add Islay whiskies or anything else. If you don't like peated or the smoky kind of whiskies, please don't add, because if you add a little bit of the smoky kind of whiskey also, it actually blends with the other whiskies and you get that smoky hint of flavor. As I'm a big fan of peated whiskies, the smoky kind of whiskies, I'll be adding like 60 ml of Islay whiskey to this. As I've not added earlier, I'll be adding it right now. So as you know, I added like 60 ml of this Islay whiskey. So this blend would have a hint of the smoky flavor, which I would love it. And in the coming days, I might add Gold Label, as I've added Chivas 12, maybe Chivas 15 or White Walker. The thing is, in the few coming videos, I'll be doing a review on Gold Label, Chivas 15 or XV, whatever you want to call it. The one and only Royal Salute, which is the oldest whiskey which I have. It is 21 years old. So I'll also be doing a review about this, and maybe White Walker also in coming days. So whatever whiskies which I like in these, so I might be adding to this my infinity bottle. So hope you got an idea about the infinity bottle. So it is basically mixing in your own blend, like mixing in your own whiskies, whichever you like, whichever whiskey blends you like, you can mix it over here, and I'll tell you guys, it will be good. Many of you guys DM'd me on Instagram asking me which kind of whiskey, maybe like blended Scotch, single Irish, Scotch. So which whiskies I like. So basically I prefer blended Scotch, because you have 2 or 3 good kind of single malt or single scotch which is blended together to make a fine whiskey. To give an example, I love Monkey Shoulder because it has only 3 good single malt blends, so I love it. Many of you guys told me that you guys have a 12-year or 18 years old Chivas that was bought 20 years back, and now it's aged for 32 years. So the thing is, I want to tell you guys, so when it is bottled, the whiskey, it doesn't age. The whiskey only ages and matures when it is in a barrel, so it never ages when it is bottled and when you keep it at your place or anywhere else. So that's it guys, hope you like this video, hope I gave you a little knowledge about Infinity bottle. So if you like this video, do hit that like button and also share my video. If you are not still subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Till my next video, drink responsibly and cheers.